Good morning. Lesson 3-2, subtracting integers. So last time we added integers. Subtracting integers is really close to the same thing. You can, again, put them on a number line. So 4 minus 9, we could put on a number line, start at 0. We go positive 4, and then we take 9 away, and we go 9 backwards, and that would land us at negative 5, because it would be 4 to get us back to 0. So notice that we really end up with 9 minus 4, but this one was negative, so our answer is negative, which is really similar to yesterday when we added different signs. This could really be written as 4 plus a negative 9. And then it's the same process as you did yesterday. Whoops, sorry. Okay, so let's do an example. 5 minus a negative 7. Oh, biscuits, that sounds hard. Here's what you do. I'm just going to tell you the rule that you're going to use in high school. Subtracting a negative to subtract a negative, add the positive. Promise this works. This is really 5 plus 7. Those negatives cancel out, and 5 plus 7 is 12. And look, that's what our book got. Crushed it. It's really the easiest way to go about it. So 11 minus a negative 15 is 11 plus 15, which is 26. Can you handle that? Probably. Now, let's get a little more complicated, because that's how life works around here. Negative 39 minus a negative 24 is going to be, I'm just going to write it up here, negative 39 plus 24. Now, this is just like what we did yesterday. We're adding opposite signs, which means we take their absolute value and we find the difference. 39 minus 24 is 15. And then the biggest number, we use that sign. That's review from yesterday. If you forgot that already, go back and rewatch yesterday's. Here's where sometimes you'll get confused, is when they say evaluate the expression and then they give you the values. Substitute the value of the variable. P is minus 21, so it comes first, minus Q. Q is 37. We just have minus 27 minus 37. And if you remember, this is plus a negative. Yesterday we said take the absolute value of these and add them. 7 plus 1 is 8, 3 plus 2 is 5, and then use the same sign as in the question because they both had same sign. Done. I think you're going to be able to handle today pretty easy. Okay, here's a good one. We use this when we're graphing a lot. Finding the distance between two integers. So how far is it from negative 4 to 5? Here's how you can think of it. How far is negative 4 from 0? It's 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And how far is 5 from 0? It's 5. What's 4 plus 5? 9. That means negative 4 to 5 is 9 units. Boy, they took a whole page to say that. Let's go over here. How far is it from negative 9 to 8? Well, negative 9's absolute value is 9, and negative 8, or positive 8's absolute value is 8. Add them, and literally means add. 9 plus 8, 17. That's what they got too, so yay us. Okay, find the distance between negative 5 and 9. So the absolute value of 5 plus the absolute value of 9 is 5 plus 9, which is 14. They're 14 apart. It won't be they're negative 14 apart. They're just 14 units apart if they're on a line. Why would you want to know that? Here's what students often tell me. Misty, I could just count on the number line. Actually, you could. Until we're talking about something like this. How far is it in California from the top of Mount Whitney, the tallest point, to the bottom of Death Valley, the lowest point? Do you want to count 14,494 times? Sames. I don't want to, but I could do 14,494 plus the absolute value of 282. 282. 2 plus 4 is 6. 8 plus 9 is 17. Carry the 1. 2 plus 4 is 6, 7. 14,776 feet. I feel like that was easier, gang. Okay? That should be enough to get you going today. Good luck.